Hello, welcome back to my channel. Fluid with the best, get the most for free. Start here, free. Do more with your minute. Give your team the best. Performance, give server. Five for what you US fluid with the flexibility your business require. Enterprise level confidence and support for teams, the power of start for free up to 600 minutes and active users per month. Six and bonus fluid minutes per month pay as you go for more teamwork. Five user states included. Add node as you grow power all of the environment environment in V plus accessible longer resource class for better performance speed and up to 18 jobs on access to 18 to 5 support with advanced blade. Customize your fluid minutes and state to fit routine or large resource class for complex process and speed. Industry leaders use to build better software faster. See why is the best CI CD platform available today. Speed. Invest in the fastest CI/CD tool faster fluids main delivery idea as quickly as you can think of team based lending compet- competitors hands down in terms of speed. Good first pay for what you use package overview, credit user, import advanced features, network, storage, GPU, Mac OS VM, Mac OS Very Metal, GPU, NVIDIA, Windows, on concurrent job runs, self-hosted runner, data layer caching, IP readers, private payment options, included support, community support, ticket-based global support, support packages, support SLA, keep exploring features to help you find the right tools for your team. What did your class do we offer? See a full breakdown of how credit are allocated different resource classes and the CPU and memory separation for yes type. What AR credit? Learn more about how credit AR used and completed fraud user states and comport fluid open source with well, all for free. Open source projects have high quality demands but limited resource in job. Credit month for OSS on US. Frequently has 8 question still can find what you are looking for. Tell to on of our team members to learn more. Do it differently with see how circle can help you team growth faster. Uh, product delivery developer developer support company getting start. Do it for free. About you get support automation and club facing enterprise security in log. Support company when winning business are powered by effectivity fast moving software teams. The world based software teams really on to accelerate their engineering velocity confidently and at scale for the past decade has been bringing intelligent change validation to engineering teams. Software is still eating the world. User expectation for quality as high teams is keeping faster, but software developer development has never been more complex. The challenges team face. The way why you do it today is more included team. Thank you for watching the video.